Ladies and gentlemen, students, learners, and fellow teachers, decided to come up with some of these apparatus just to show us how to do some connections on electricity at any level. And as you can see, I'm just trying to remove the wires as they are all clustered because of the experiment I was conducting. And I thought it's very important that I show you how to do this. And you can see the cell and the key. I'm going to be the one I touched, that is the battery and the key, connect them together. Remember, you must work with a plan, and that is ammeter. I'm holding one terminal of the ammeter. I'm connecting it to the key. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is use the ammeter, and that is ohm, though it comes with different designs. This ammeter and this is my ohm. I've connected the two of them together. I also have to connect this, my ohm, to that resistance box you are seeing there. That is very important. I have to do it. So I have to adjust the wire so that the wire can relax. So that that's the one terminal of my resistance box. I have to readjust it to ensure that my resistance box and the ohmmeter and the resistor, resistance box, which I'm trying to touch each terminal now, connecting it in parallel to the resistor. See, look at the two junctions as I've connected them. So I'm also going to connect a voltmeter in parallel to the resistance box and that 2 ohm resistor. It depends on what the question came up with. Look at these two junctions. Look at the junction. These are the junction with the leg of resistor, voltmeter, and the terminals share 2 junctions. Now I'm going to connect ammeter to one terminal of the junction between the ohmmeter, the voltmeter, and the resistance box. And the other junction, I connect it to the cell or the battery. And that is, as you are seeing them, my connection is done. I'm coming down. I want to show you, this is the resistance box. Like I was saying, okay, I have to remove this wire now to be able to show you the content of all the graduations, the things they wrote on the body of the resistance box. And they came in different designs, but this is the one I'm using. As you have seen those numbers, these are the resistors. This resistance box decided to be used in the circuit, and their terminals, depending on the design of the one you are using in your school or you are provided with. But all those numbers you are seeing, they are the resistors. They are the resistances, which we need to apply in the circuit. Now, let me go back and connect them to your terminals. I have to make sure that my arrangement or my connections are relaxed so that the wires don't touch each other. If it is a current electricity of high voltage, it's going to be very fatal. However, this is a laboratory experiment. Now, I want to readjust them to ensure that they are connected in order. I am sure you saw the connection. Remember, you can't just go to the lab and start connecting. I'm closing my key. As I close the key, yes, if you watch very carefully, you will see the movement of that is the key, closing the key with the key plug, and the circuit is completed now. Okay, if they move in opposite direction, the graduation, that is the movement of the voltmeter, move in opposite direction, you have to change the terminals. That was just what I did to ensure that the movement moves in a clockwise direction and not anti-clockwise direction. Thank you very much. This is my own little way of helping you. Thank you.